In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you fix emoji on Facebook app. To fix emoji issue on the Facebook app, you could follow the steps. First thing first, you could always go ahead and check for your internet connection as well. So go to your settings and see whether you're connected to a stable internet or not. If not, you could try restarting your connection. That should be able to fix the issue as well. If not, what you could also do is check for an update. Sometimes outdated version can lead to such issue. So go to your respective app store, and then on the search box you want to type in Facebook. See whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see update, press on the update button and try logging in and see whether you're able to fix the emoji on Facebook app or not. If that's not the case, what else you could also do is try clearing your cache as well as data. For that, you want to long press the Facebook application, go to this I button or the app info section and go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as storage. That will be able to help you out. So this way you should be able to fix emoji on Facebook app, or else you could also try uninstalling the Facebook app from your device, at the same time restarting and reinstalling the application. That could be a helpful way to fix the issue as well. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could actually go ahead and directly contact the support team. For that, open up the Facebook application, log in, and tap on the tab bar icon from the top right. Here on the menu page, you want to scroll down a bit, go to help and support. You could go ahead and select support inbox. You want to go ahead and select Facebook help center, and then you could go ahead and submit a request. This should be able to fix the issue at once. So that's the way you could fix emoji on Facebook app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.